The live updates on the 2023 Assembly election results indicate that the counting of votes has begun in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana. Early trends show the Bharatiya Janata Party leading in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh, while the Congress is ahead in Telangana against the Bharat Rashtra Samithi. The question stands: how far is this aimed at? Hi everybody. Exit polls present varied predictions, with some favoring the BJP in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, and others suggesting an advantage for the Congress in Telangana and Chhattisgarh. The Congress, currently in power in Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh, faces a direct confrontation with the BJP in Madhya Pradesh. In Telangana, the ruling BRS leads by K. Chandrasekhar Rao aims for a hat-trick. Let's understand what implications do the result of these assembly elections hold for the upcoming general elections, and how might the outcomes shape the political landscape at the national level. The implications of these results of the assembly elections for the upcoming general elections and their potential impact on the national political landscape can be multifaceted, as in: number 1 is momentum and perception. The performance of political parties in assembly elections can set the momentum for the general elections. A strong showing by a party may boost its perception among voters nationally, while a poor performance may raise doubts about its popularity. Number 2 is strategic advancement. Parties may adjust their strategies based on the strengths and weakness revealed in the assembly election. This could involve recalibrating alliances, revising campaign messages, or focusing resources on regions where they performed well. Number 3 is voter sentiment and issues. The outcomes of the assembly elections provide insights into voter sentiment and the issues that resonate with the electorate. Political parties may tailor their national agendas to align with the concerns highlighted in the state elections. Number 4 is policy agendas. Parties that perform well in the assembly election may see their policy agendas gaining traction at the national level. Successful implementations of state-level policies can serve as a model for parties' promises at the national level. Number 5 is waves or anti-incumbency trends. Assembly elections result may reveal whether there is a wave in favor of particular party or if there is an anti-incumbency sentiment. Such trends can shape the narrative leading up to the general elections. And number 6 is impact on marginal seats. The outcome of closely contested seats in the assembly elections may indicate the preference of swing voters. Political parties may tailor their strategies to target or defend similar marginal seats at the national level. Hope you like the video. Let's unlock together your full potential and achieve remarkable success in the world of business. If you are new to the channel, do like, share, and subscribe for more such content related to business and finance. Till then, goodbye everyone.